See, this trail is looking less and less familiar as I walk along. Right? So that's...
Are you talking to me or
yeah. No, you. But there's elements of similarity with the other trail, so it's a little bit difficult to tell. We're looking for a different trail down to the big trees in the Cocosala Valley. Ooh, look how this one goes down. Ooh, I'm loving it. Oh yeah. Oh, no, this is definitely not new. This is definitely new.
I think we're on the right
Yeah.
side this time.
Yeah. We're also looking for mushrooms, but we passed these people before that were had buckets and buckets of these so-called pine mushrooms. They're going to sell them. And another group were just collecting for themselves. Gave us a few, so we know what they look like. That's what the bush looks like down there. It's beautiful. Ooh, nice. Oh, I don't know. How you doing? Yeah. No, there's lots of light. Okay, you can see. Ooh, this is cool. Oh, look, there's an orange marker there too, but I don't know what that. Oh my God, this is definitely a new trail. Huh?
I think that's something different there, some further down too.
A trail?
I don't think it's a trail mark.
Okay, no. Well, do you think that those they're not big enough to be virgin like that, are they, those ones there?